Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we will discuss about what is the flow of a React app and how React operates. Meaning we will see all of this in the code where it is coming from, right? And if you are working on any custom project or you have an idea which you want to discuss, you can reach out to me through filling this form, or you can reach out to me through the WhatsApp or email. All the links are in the description. Let's start the today's video. Okay, so this is a simple project. I have just created it with CRA, Create React App. I hope you are watching this in this series. Otherwise, you can just go to playlist and write here React, right? You will see this series here. Okay, so I have just created a project and I have started this server by npm run start. Here it is, npm run start. Okay, and we have a server started on this uh, address with 3000 port. Now to understand the flow of this project, you have to keep in mind these two folders, public and src, which means source. Public means public. You have you can store anything which you want to access, like css, like which are not really the concerns of the security of your website, right? And if you see the index.html, this is the main file which is rendering all of the React components or React app. All of the material is in this index.html. And when you see this file, you will see we have only one div with the id root. That means all of the content is present in this div, right? So now we will see where is this uh, root div being populated, right? uh, so that all of the content is coming to this div. For this, we have to see the src folder, and here we have two files, index.js, which is grabbing this root document.getElementById by id, plain javascript. You are getting this root and you are rendering this root, right, on your browser. And this root is has a render function which is purely for React. They have written it somewhere in their code, uh, which is coming from here, right? React, you are importing it, that's why you can use it. Okay, so now they are rendering it in the strict mode. These are not of the concerns mainly here, uh, just the formalities to get it running, right? But this app is what it is. It is JSX. That means we have defined it somewhere and we are importing it. Now this app contains your actual code. Your actual code is in the app. This app is in the root, and the root is in the public index.html. Now let's see where this app is. If you see the app.js, you have this app, right? So edit source, exactly this thing, right? So that means what I am seeing here is the app.js, and app.js is going to index.js, and index.js is coming from index.html, right? So that means we have three files or folders which we have to see in order to understand the flow of a React app. Now how I can play with this, right? Let's remove all of this and make it simple hello world to get started. Let's see, in the index.html, I don't want this logo, so I will remove that. What I don't want, maybe this favicon I don't want. I'm just playing with it. Manifest.json, I don't know what it is, but don't know. uh I have idea, like this is useful for responsiveness, but just we can just ignore it for now. And then in the source, I don't want any css, so I will delete this. I don't want to test it, I will delete this. I don't want css, I don't want the logo, I don't want whatever this is, web vitals setup, I don't want to test it. Okay, so now we have, let's delete it also. Favicon I don't want, logo I don't want, logo I don't want, robot.txt I don't. Okay, index.html, and in the source app.js, index.js. Now the game is in our hand, we can play with it, right? Index.html, what it is doing, css I don't want, let's remove. Vitals I don't want. Okay, here also I don't want. You can see we are getting some errors, but we will fix it. Okay. In the app.js, logo I don't want. Return I don't know what it is, so I will remove all of this and return h1, which is hello world. We will see how we can integrate the Bootstrap and Tailwind, the React app, in the next video. Okay, so now it should render this only stuff, right? CSS I don't want. Only a small function which is rendering HTML element h1. Let's see if we are getting this. Okay, so you are seeing the hello world which is coming from app.js. So now you can totally play with it, and we will see how we can do more stuff with the React functionality. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.